Hi everyone, welcome to your lighting. This is Mandy. As you can see in our table, today I want to introduce our surface multi-corners to you. And do you know how to use these corners? Now let me tell you. Take this surface multi-horizontal corner as an example. This horizontal corner is always used in the same flat, such as the ceiling. And for this corner, we always match two iron sheet and some screws to fit in the check reel. Only this corner's iron sheet is integrated with the corner. And for other corner, we need to put the iron sheet and the screws into the corner by ourselves. Now, let me show you how to install them. We have another two shapes also be used in the same flat, T shape and S shape. Besides this, we also have another two corner types, surface multi-internal corner and external corner. They are always used in two flat light corner between two walls, or the corner between the ceiling and the wall. That's all for today's sharing. Do you know how to use this corner now? If you still don't understand, you can leave us your contact information and we will have a further explanation for you. See you next time.